Hello everyone and welcome back to Cleaning the EC Way. Today we are going to go over things that make cleaning easier. First up, we have cleaning more often. Depending on how dirty your house is each time you clean, you may want to start cleaning more often. If you find that you are always fighting dirt and you're having to scrub each time you clean, or a lot of dust has built up and you're only clean every other week, you may want to start cleaning your home once a week. The longer we go between cleaning, the more the dirt and dust will build up, and that makes cleaning harder and more time consuming. Cleaning more often helps the dirt and dust be more manageable. When we clean our own homes, we tend to organize as we are cleaning. Organization helps give a home a more cluttered-free appearance, and this also can give a home a cleaner feel. If you find that you are doing as much picking up as cleaning, try doing the tidying up the day before you clean. That way you can go through your home quicker and all you are focused on is the cleaning. Here are a few tips to help you throughout the week. Try doing smaller loads of dishes more often. Tidy up every night before you go to bed. If you are cooking, try doing the dishes while you're cooking, just putting a few things away or into the dishwasher. Something my mom had me do as a child that has always stuck with me is something I call the 10-thing rule. If I don't feel like doing the dishes every time I go into the kitchen, I will either put 10 clean dishes away or I will put 10 dirty dishes into the dishwasher. And by the end of the day, I will not have a sink full of dishes. Do maintenance between your regular cleaning. When I am doing a maintenance clean, the end goal is to not clean as thoroughly as if I were doing my regular clean. It is to make sure that things do not build up and things look clean in between my weekly cleaning. I have disinfectant wipes in my bathroom, so if I notice that the sink or counters are dirty, I can quickly grab a wipe and clean. Not only does it give the space a clean look, it will also cut down on what I have to scrub when I clean. In the shower, I have dish soap wand with dish soap that we use a few times a week to quickly go over the shower walls. And don't worry, we do make sure that we rinse the dish soap off. I make sure that I use a squeegee on my shower glass each time that the shower is used. If you don't want to use a squeegee, you can wipe the glass dry with a towel. In the kitchen, I keep a bottle with my favorite enzyme cleaner, and a few times a week, I will spray and wipe my counters down. Because this is a maintenance clean, I don't move things out of the way because that takes more time. When I do the dishes, I will clean my sink with a dish wand and hand dish soap. I also make sure to wipe the surface of my stovetop as soon as it has cooled if anything boils over. I have a lightweight vacuum that I will use at least once a week between my regular cleaning to clean my hardwood floors. I will tell you that the automatic robotic vacuums are a lifesaver in the maintenance of your home. We have a client that has 2 big black labs and they run theirs each day, and it has cut down on the dog hair throughout their home. Using cleaning tools. Having the right cleaning tool can save you when it comes to cleaning. They increase your efficiency and make it so your area is cleaner. They can also cut down on body aches and pains because you are not having to work as hard. Depending on what it is you are cleaning, having something like a scrub brush, rag, cleaning sponge, or a small brush is going to help cut down on the cleaning time and help remove what it is you are trying to clean. Having the right tool that extends will help you get those hard to reach areas. Make sure you subscribe because we will be doing a video on our favorite cleaning tools in the next few weeks. Using the right cleaning product. Using the right cleaning product for the area you're cleaning is going to help with cleaning and is going to cut down on your cleaning time. Choosing the right product makes your cleaning more effective and will also help with further cleaning. We typically use an all-purpose cleaner that is meant for multiple different surfaces, but we do have a few one-hitters that we use when needed. If you find your stove is very greasy, having a product meant to remove grease is a great option. If you have tried many options to remove hard water spots, having a product that is made specifically to remove those spots is going to make your job easier. Make sure you are doing your research before using a product because no one wants to ruin things in their own home. Focus on one thing at a time. If you find it is too hard to clean your entire home, try breaking it up. Clean the bathrooms one day and dust and vacuum the next. If you have multiple levels in your home, clean one level at a time. In my own home, if I've had a hard week, I will break mine up. I will do my top floor one day and the main level the next. I have even broken it down that I will dust one day, vacuum the next. Third day, I will do bathrooms, and fourth day, kitchen and hardwood floors. If I know my home is clean, my mind will be at peace. If you are having a hard time, just focus on what is bothering you the most. If you find that you are coming home with the intent of cleaning and you sit down and lose drive, don't sit down. Just get right to cleaning. Have a cleaning schedule you follow. If you make a plan to clean and keep to the plan, cleaning is going to be so much easier. This will also avoid letting things pile up. Pick a day each week that you will clean. I pick the day that I have the least and easiest clients to clean my own home. I know I'm going to clean and I have an entire week to prepare for it. I do this with my laundry too. I have a set day I do my laundry and it doesn't get backed up, making laundry so much easier, and I don't have to fold and put away as much. Listen to music while you clean. You don't have to just listen to music. You can also listen to a podcast, book, or your favorite YouTuber. This can boost your mood. It can energize you. It can help you focus. And my favorite, it can distract you from the physical task at hand. Music can trigger dopamine to be released, making cleaning a happier experience. We listen to music while we clean. I find myself cleaning to the tune. I have found myself lost in the music, and I also dance a bit. Cleaning when things are silent makes the time pass by slower. Having something to listen to helps with the repetitiveness of cleaning and definitely makes it a more pleasant experience. Clean from top to bottom, left to right. Jumping from one place to the next can add time to your cleaning. Cleaning from left to right also helps so that you don't miss anything. Top to bottom makes it so you don't have to double your work. You don't want to clean a table, then the light fixture above the table to have dust fall onto the table. Top to bottom, left to right helps ease cleaning. Decluttering your home. Getting rid of things you no longer use or need definitely can cut down on your cleaning time. This will create less surface area to clean, and it will also help to get into the areas that need your extra attention. Clutter can also make it harder to focus because the brain is constantly being reminded of how unorganized things are. It can increase stress and anxiety, especially in women. The clutter can also make it so we are more distracted. It also can impact our mood and self-esteem. Cleaning supplies in one place. Being prepared before you start to clean will help with the cleaning process. It is very beneficial to have all your cleaning supplies ready before you clean. Having something that you can easily carry all your cleaning supplies in will ensure that you are prepared, and it will save you time. You won't have to stop in the middle of cleaning to search for a tool or cleaner that you need. Clean one room at a time. Focusing on one room at a time will make it so you are cleaning thoroughly. It can also prevent you from feeling overwhelmed. Jumping from one room to another can definitely add stress and time when it comes to cleaning.